this line, right? You all can see a blue color line. These kind of lines are known as straight lines. These kind of lines are known as straight lines. Okay, and you can see one red color line is also there, right? One red color line is also there, children. So these kind of lines which are not straight are known as curved lines. Curved lines. Okay, these are known as, these type of lines are known as curved lines. So this so the line which is in blue color is known as straight line, and the one which you can see in red color is known as curved lines. Okay, so now there are different types of straight lines. There are three types of straight lines: horizontal, vertical, and slanting. Horizontal, vertical, and slanting. Curved line can be like this also. Okay, so now we will see different types of straight lines. Yeah. Now see here, children, you all can see here in sky blue color, there is one line. These kind of lines are known as horizontal line or sleeping line. So this line which is in sky blue color is known as horizontal line. And you can see in dark blue color there is another line. This is also a straight line, but this line is known as vertical line. This is also a straight line. All these three are straight lines, but one is horizontal, other one is vertical. Okay, this line which is in dark blue color is vertical line or standing line. And you can see here there is one more line which is in pink color, right? In dark pink color. Actually this is magenta color. So this kind of line is known as slanting line. This kind of line is known as slanting line. Okay, so now what we have to do is on page number 17 there is one question, and question is you have to look at the image and then you have to count and tell how many slanting lines are there, how many curved lines are there, how many horizontal lines are there, how many straight lines are there. Okay. Yes, Akshaya? Unmute yourself. You were raising your hand.
Math textbook.
We will do in course book. Page number 17. Page number 1717. This we have to do. Okay. Yeah, children. So now see here. What you have to do is, your question is you have to count and write the number of lines in each image below. You have to look at the picture. Okay, what you have to do, you have to look at the pictures and then you have to count and write the number of lines. Okay, so your first one is slanting lines. First one is slanting lines. So now you all can see here in your first image, small house is there, right? Small house is there. In that house, you have to count how many slanting lines are there. How many slanting lines are there? Okay. Rohit, you tell me in first picture how many slanting lines are there? Lohit, how many slanting lines are there in first picture? House is there, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Count and tell me slanting lines.
5.
5. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Supratik, in first picture, how many slanting lines are there? Supratik, in first picture, how many slanting lines are there?
2.
Slanting lines, I'm asking.
Standing or standing?
Huh?
Two.
Wrong. Akshay, you unmute yourself and tell me how many slanting lines are there in first picture. Unmute yourself.
Two are there.
Slanting lines I'm asking. Two. Only two.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's wrong, Akshay. It's wrong. Akshat, you tell me in first image how many slanting lines are there? House is there.
Two, ma'am.
Slanting lines. Two are there. Wrong. Yeah. Yes, Suprati.
అర్థం కాదు ఆ పైకి అర్థం కావట్లేదు వాళ్ళు
Yeah, Suprati. Suprati.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
standing lines are 5 lines, ma'am.
5 lines. Okay, that's correct. Yes, Akshay. How many?
Ma'am, how many slanting lines are there? Four.
4.
Five.
5. 4 or 5?
Yeah.
Huh?
Five are there.
Okay. Now it's correct. See here, children. In first picture, 5 slanting lines are there. How many? 5. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am,
Yes.
many houses?
Huh?
ఏంటిది
Yes, Supratik.
చెప్పినా కదా హారిజంటల్ లైన్స్ హారిజంటల్ లైన్స్
No, no, I'm asking about only slanting lines right now.
స్టాండింగ్ లైన్స్ 5
Okay, that's good. That's correct. So now see here, children, in your sorry. First picture is of a house. So we have to count here slanting lines, right? So see here, how many are there? This I'm moving my cursor. This is 1. 1 is this one. Then second is this one. 2, right? Then 3, 4, and 5. All these are slanting lines. So how many slanting lines are there? 5 slanting lines are there. So we will write here 5. We will write here 5. Okay. We will write here 5. Now what you have to do? Now you have to see how many, you have to look at the picture and you have to count how many horizontal lines are there. Right. So now, Ashwita, Nalla, you tell me how many horizontal lines are there in this house?
Two, ma'am.
2. Okay. AVK Ganesh, you tell me how many horizontal lines are there? AVK Ganesh, quickly. How many horizontal?
3, ma'am.
Huh?
3.
3. Okay. That's correct. Ashwita, 2 is wrong. 3 is correct. Now see here, children. How? See here, how many horizontal lines are there? 1 is this one, right? I am trying to draw a line there just to highlight it. 1 is there, 1. Then this is 2. And this one is 3. So how many horizontal lines are there? 3 horizontal lines are there. Okay. Again, I'll repeat. I'll move my cursor there. 1. Then 2 near this door. And then last one downside 3. So how many horizontal lines are there, children? 3 horizontal lines are there. Okay, so write there 3. Yes, so now we will move to next picture. Tanishka, you tell me in second picture how many vertical lines are there?
Vertical means sleeping lines.
Vertical lines, standing lines.
Standing lines.
2, 3, 4. 4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Hanvika, you tell me how many vertical lines are there in second picture? Hanvika? Shreyas, you tell me how many vertical lines are there in second picture quickly.
2, ma'am.
2,
3,
3,
4.
4, and 5 is left. Say 5 now. 2, 3, 4, 5. Shreyas, now give me only one answer quickly. Vertical lines means standing lines. Tell me.
Count it. Standing lines. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
4 are okay. CS Shreyan, you tell me how many vertical lines are there in second image?
4.
4. Okay. Here children, in second image, 4 vertical lines are there. You all can see here. I'll move my cursor just to highlight it. See here, vertical lines means standing lines. See here now. 1. 1 is this one. Then 2. Then 3. And this is the last one, 4. So how many vertical lines are there, children? There are 4 vertical lines in this image. So we will write here 4. Okay, we will write here 4. Yes, Aryan? Aryan, you were raising your hand. Aryan, you were raising your hand. Okay. So how many vertical lines are there? 4 vertical lines are there. Okay. Kartika Nalla, you tell me how many horizontal lines are there? Horizontal lines are sleeping lines.
7.
Huh?
7.
No. No, that's wrong. No, that's wrong. Mhm. Yes, Aslan?
Ma'am, there are 6 horizontal lines.
No, Aslan. That's wrong. No. No. Mhm. Anixa, you tell me how many horizontal lines are there in second picture?
4, ma'am.
4.
Yeah.
Advaita, you tell me how many horizontal lines are there in second picture?
3.
3. Yeah. 3 is the correct answer. Anik, now look how. And everyone look. See here. You all were counting these lines also, no? But these are not horizontal lines. These are slanting lines. See properly. These lines are slanting lines. These are not horizontal lines. Okay, so you will not count these. This is wrong. Okay, so you have to leave these lines. These are not horizontal lines or sleeping lines. Sleeping lines are 3 only. See, I'm moving my cursor here. 1, then 2, and this is your last sleeping line. See here. 3. So how many horizontal lines are there? 3 horizontal lines are there. So you will write here 3. You will write here 3. Okay. Now, next picture. Yes, Shreyas, you are raising your hand. Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, so now next picture, children. And if you have completed, please keep on checking your answers. RN and Bilvika, in next picture, how many slanting lines are there? Bilvika, in third picture, how many slanting lines are there? Bilvika? Aryan, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Aryan, now tell me, third picture, how many slanting lines are there?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, that's the correct answer, children. See here in the next picture, Akshaya, look here. Akshaya, Lakshmi. See here, children. Only 2 slanting lines are there. One and 2. So how many slanting lines are there? Only 2 slanting lines are there. That's the correct answer. So we will write 2 beside this. So here we will write 2. Now we have to count how many curved lines are there. Meghna, unmute yourself and tell me how many curved lines are there. Meghna,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me how many curved lines are there. Quickly.
1, 2, 5, ma'am.
5. Okay. P. Shreyan Reddy, you tell me how many curved lines are there. P. Shreyan.
5.
5. Okay. Aditya Ram, how many curved lines?
4.
4. Okay. 4 are there. Okay. Jay, you tell me how many curved lines are there.
5.
5. Okay. Yes, Aslan, how many curved lines? Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Aslan, do you want to say something? No. Yes, Supratik.
5. Ma'am, answer is 5.
5. Okay. See here, children, correct answer is 5. That's right. I think somebody told 4. Aditya Ram, maybe. Okay, children. So there are 5 curved lines. See how you will start counting now. This is 1, then 2, then this one 3, then 2 lines are there together, you can see here. So 4 and last one, this down one, 5. So how many curved lines are there, children? 5 curved lines are there. Okay, so we will write 5. Now last picture. Ashuta,
Ma'am.
yeah, in the last image, how many slanting lines are there?
3.
3. That's the correct answer, children. See here in the last picture, 3 slanting lines are there, and you can see them very clearly. Okay, that's the correct answer. 3 slanting lines are there. Bilvika, unmute yourself. Bilvika. Yeah, Bilvika, in the last image, how many horizontal lines are there?
0.
Huh?
0.
0. Okay. Kushal, you tell me in last image, how many horizontal lines are there?
Zero, ma'am.
0. Yes, children, see here in the last picture, there is no horizontal line. So this means how many are there? 0 horizontal lines are there. Okay, so write this quickly. Write it fast. Okay, so now I'm clearing all this, children. And open page number 139 of your math textbook. That is I Did It Mathematics. Open page number 139. 139. Quickly. Open page number 139, children, of your math textbook. That is 139. And write date and classwork there quickly. Again, I am repeating. This is page number 139. 139 of your math textbook. Write date and classwork there. Yes, children. So, okay, I hope by now you all have opened page number 139. So, see here, children. So, they have made one mouse by using different kinds of shapes, different types of shapes. And you all are well aware of these shapes, right? So, Minty, the mouse is here. There is one mouse. You all can see here. And her name is Minty. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to look at the picture of this Minty, the mouse, and then we have to see that different types of shapes are used, right? Different types of shapes they have used to make this mouse. So now triangle is there, circle is there, different shapes are there, no? Square is there, rectangle is there, and oval shape is there, right? You all can see here. These two ears are made up of circles. Circles are there, right? Her eyes, circle shape. Then her face is made up of triangle shape. Then square is there. Hands are made of oval shape, and her legs, rectangle shape, has been used to make her legs, right? So now what we have to do is we have to first complete this word. We have to look at this picture and we have to find out which shape is this. Okay. So now we'll look at the first picture and then we'll try to complete it. We'll try to fill in the blank space. Okay. So now see here. Lohit, you tell me first shape. Which shape is this? First one?
Triangle.
Yes, children. So your first shape is triangle. So we will write here spelling of triangle. Lohit, can you tell me spelling of triangle?
T
Yes, T. Yeah.
R
Okay.
A.
TRA. No. No, no. See here, children, spelling of triangle is, look here, I'm writing. And you all have to learn these spellings. TR. R is already there. Then next you will write I. Then next you will write A. Then N. G. L. E. So spelling of triangle is TRIANGLE. A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Please write correct spelling in your notebook, children. Yes, Aryan? Aryan, you were raising your hand. Aryan, you were raising your hand. Okay, children. So, spelling of triangle is Triangle, triangle. And you have to write only in the blank space, okay? Only in the blank space. Fine? Yes, Supratik?
Ma'am, second one is square.
Yeah.
Ma'am, second one is square.
Yeah, and what is the spelling of square?
S S Q U A R E.
Very good. Very good, Supratik. So, see here, children, your next shape is square. Your next shape is square. And now we will write spelling of square. Yes, Supratik.
I answered till.
Huh? Okay, so now children, we will write spelling of square. Your next shape is of square. So we will write square spelling now. This is S Q U. This is U, children. Okay, this is U. A R E, square. S Q U A R E, square. Please write correct spelling. This is S Q U A R E, square. Yeah. Now, next shape. We have to see. Kushal, tell me next shape.
Circle, ma'am.
Yeah, next shape is circle, and tell me spelling of circle.
C
C
R I R
C I R.
C
Huh? Yes.
L
L. Fast.
E.
Yeah. So that's the correct spelling. Kushal, very good. So circle spelling, please write there, children. C-I-R C-L-E, circle. C-I-R C-L-E, circle. And please write correct spelling. And you just need to write these letters in blank space only, okay? So this is circle. Fine, that's correct. Tanishka, tell me next shape. Tanishka.
Circle, ma'am.
Circle, done. Next shape. Next shape.
Okay. Spelling tell. O-V. B-A.
Next shape.
V
Tell me its name. Quickly. We don't have time much.
Oval. Say.
spelling.
Yes, I'm waiting.
O V
Tanishka, what is that shape? Tell me its name.
oval.
Yeah. Now it's correct. Now tell me spelling.
O V
O-V.
A L.
Yeah. So that's correct. Your next shape is oval, children. So we will write spelling O-V-A-L, oval. Right there, oval. Now last shape. Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am, done the page, ma'am.
That's good. Very good. Very good. AVK Ganesh, you tell me last shape. ABK Ganesh, last shape. He's singing song. Please bother. Akshay, you tell me last shape.
Oval.
Last one. No, wrong. Last one. Rectangle, yes. So now tell me spelling of rectangle.
R-E-C-T.
R-E. Huh? Okay, that's correct. C-T. A. Yes. Then? Yes. G. Huh?
Last line E.
No, after G, what will come? What we will write after G? Yes. Now it's correct. So this is RECTANGLE, rectangle. So please write correct spelling, children. This is RECTANGLE, rectangle. Yeah, now that's the correct spelling. Okay. So now children, what we have to do is, we have to now count how many sides and how many corners are there. Okay. Okay. Sides means these straight lines. You all can see here. Side means straight lines. Sides means straight lines, children. Okay. So we have to count here how many straight lines are there. This means we are counting the sides. And corners, see here. What are corners? Okay, first we'll complete the sides. If we talk about this triangle, children, look at your first shape. Your first shape is triangle. Now, if we want to count how many sides are there, how we will count? You can see here how many sides are there, children. This 1, then 2, and this is 3. So, how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. So, we will write here 3. Okay. Now, if we have to count how many corners are there, how many corners are there? So, what we will do? See here. The point where two sides are meet, or you can say the place where two sides are meeting, right? That point is known as corner. That point is known as corner. So how many corners are there? 1. See children, I am trying to highlight it. 2 and 3. So how many corners are there in a triangle? 3 corners are there. 3 corners are there. Okay. Dhriti Reddy, you tell me in a square how many sides are there?
4.
Yes. See here children, in a square 4 sides are there. 4 sides are there. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. And how many corners, Dhriti?
4.
Yes, very good. 4 corners are there.
Hey,
See here children,
हमसे ना क्या बोला मेरे फोन
I'll
में
highlight it so that you can see. See here children, how many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 corners are there. And how many sides also you can count now? 1, this is 1, then 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next. Yes, Akshaya, you were raising your hand. Akshaya, you were raising your hand. See, one by one, I'll give chance to everyone, no? Okay, you got chance. Now I'll give to another child. Yes, so now next shape is circle. And Kartika Nalla, you tell me in circle how many sides are there?
nothing.
Nothing. Okay, and how many corners? Kartika, how many corners? Not. Akshat, you tell me, in a circle, how many sides and how many corners?
0 corners, 0 sides, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, see here, in a circle, there is no sides or there is no corner because there is no straight line in a circle. And I have told you that side